Hi everybody, and welcome to the Junk Journal tutorials and more drawing for the Shabby Your Art event. Now, we've already had the Sweet Pea Papers drawing for the same event, so make sure that you watch both videos because you can win once in each drawing. So you may have won 2 prizes and not even know it if you don't watch both videos, okay? So now it's actually 3:30 in the morning now. I recorded the first one at 3 a.m. and then I had to render it and all that good stuff, edit. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the database first. And we're going to switch over to Junk Journal Tutorial and More. And we had 148 entries. Let's go back up here. There's a few blank spots because I accidentally entered one of the other collaborators' names in there, and I didn't think it was fair to move all the names around, you know, to fill in the empty spots. So if we draw one of the empty spots, of course, we'll just draw again. So here we are at the random number generator. Ignore this because that was from the previous drawing. I think I said we have 148. Let me double check. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. The first winner is going to be the 3rd place winner, and they're going to win one Junk Journal kit from Line Dot Arrow. Number 9. Oh, this is unbelievable. The other one, the numbers were way down there as well. So that's Janet Casey. Congratulations, Janet. You won a Junk Journal kit from Line Dot Arrow. All right, now this is for 2nd place prize, and that's 2 Junk Journal kits from Line Dot Arrow. It's number 16. We haven't had a number over 100. That's going to be Sandra Dyer. So she's going to win 2 Junk Journal tutorials, 2 Junk Journal kits from Line Dot Arrow. Number 11. Wow. That's amazing. And that's Karen Garber. Look at that. Between 9 and 16. I don't know what is up with this random number generator this time. Okay, so that's it. We've got 1st place is Karen Garber, 2nd place is Sandra Dyer, and 3rd place is Janet Casey. Congratulations to everyone. And I want to mention, just like I did in the other video, that the Buzz into Spring event starts today, Sunday, March the 3rd. March the 3rd. And so we're going to start with the challenges today. You'll get freebies today in all 6 Facebook groups because Suzanne's group, since it's a collaboration this time, it's our quarterly collaboration event. I can't talk today. Must be because it's 3:30 in the morning. So every quarter we do a collaboration event with Suzanne over at Nonstop Paper Crafts. So don't forget to go over to her Facebook group and enter over there as well with your pictures and your videos. Okay, so don't forget to partake this time because as you can see, it's pretty easy to win. We just do a drawing and your name could be chosen apparently if you're one of the first 16 to enter. Or to post, which is an entry. So, okay, well, that's it for this time. And I will see you in the next drawing at the end of this, or the beginning of the next month, which is going to be the beginning of April. And, yeah, that's it for me. And I will see you in the next video. Alrighty. Bye-bye.